Hello, welcome back to Purple Griffon, your one-stop destination for all things IT. Today, we're discussing the benefits of PRINCE2, a fantastic methodology that can transform how you manage projects. And we'll do it in 2 minutes. So, let's start the clock. PRINCE2, standing for Projects in Controlled Environments, is a process-based project management method offering a systematic approach for delivering a successful project with clear templates, processes, and steps. Now, let's discuss its benefits. Firstly, PRINCE2 provides a structured environment that promotes accountability, delegation, and roles. With its clearly defined roles and responsibilities, everyone knows who's responsible for what, from the project board down to individual team members. This results in effective communication and decision-making. Secondly, PRINCE2 is adaptable. It's not rigid, but rather tailorable to the size, complexity, importance, capability, and risk of the project. From small startups to big corporations, you can scale it to match your needs. Thirdly, PRINCE2 encourages continual improvement through its lessons learned process. This means your team won't make the same mistake twice, but rather continually enhance their skills and knowledge as projects progress. Finally, let's talk about risk management. PRINCE2's systematic approach to identifying, assessing, and controlling risks is unparalleled. It provides you with a mechanism to tackle uncertainties efficiently, ensuring your project stays on track. So, to wrap up, with PRINCE2 you're gaining a methodology that emphasizes accountability, scalability, continuous learning, and superior risk management. It's no wonder that organizations around the globe are adopting it for their project management needs. And that's our 2 minutes done. We hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, share it with your peers, and don't forget to subscribe to Purple Griffon for more project management insights. If you'd like to be PRINCE2 certified, head over to our website by checking the link in the description. Until next time, keep managing, keep succeeding.